Integral of 1 to 3 dx by x square into x plus 1. We have to prove that is equals to 2 by 3 plus log 2 by 3. Let us look at this NCERT miscellaneous exercise question. Now we can solve this by using partial fractions. In this particular video, we'll try to do little bit different. Let's go. First, what is given? Let us see. 1 by x square into x plus 1. We will write it as 1 by x into 1 by x into x plus 1. That's equal to 1 by x into. Now whenever we have two numbers which are consecutive to each other, we can always write them as difference of them. So I can write it as 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1. If you simplify that, you will again get 1 by x into x plus 1 only. So that is equal to 1 by x square minus 1 by x into x plus 1. Now how we have written 1 by x into x plus 1, we can write down one more time. That will be 1 by x square minus 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1. So in the next step, it will become 1 by x square minus 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 1. We will have x power minus 2 integral is minus of 1 by x by power rule. Integral of 1 by x is log x. By default to base e. Now we can write this as, we have a property that logarithms laws, log of a minus b is log of a by b. So we can write down log of x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x boundaries as 1, 2, 3. Let us substitute the boundaries now. I will have log of x plus 1 by x. So that will be 4 by 3 minus log of x plus 1 by x, 1 plus 1 by 1. That is log 2 by 1 minus of 1 by 3 minus 1. Let us simplify that. That will be log of 4 by 3 divided by 2 by 1 minus of minus 2 by 3. Simplify that. That is equals to 2 by 3 plus log of 2 by 3. That is what we need to prove. So let's have a look at this problem, how we have solved it. We have to find out the definite integral 1 to 3 dx by x square into x plus 1. You can use partial fractions and you can write it as a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 1. Find out the ABC values, then you integrate them and apply the boundaries. In this, without doing partial fractions, we have solved it that 1 by x into x plus 1, whenever we have two consecutive numbers like that, we can write it as 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 1. So we applied that concept and we tried to solve this problem. We found out the integral, then we applied the boundaries 1, 2, 3, and finally the answer we got is 2 by 3 plus log 2 by 3.